Call recording on T61 ensures accountability and enables instant, accurate message recall. In this video, we'll show you how to turn on record calls and play a call recording in call records. Let's start with how to turn on record calls. Press menu or lock button to go to menu. Go to advanced settings. Go to record calls. Choose on. Then press menu or lock button to save. Go back to the home screen. A record calls icon appears in the status bar. Now we'll show you how to play a call recording in call records. You can play the audio you transmitted or received in call records.
Maintenance, Tech AC in room 601.
Press menu or lock button to go to menu. Go to call records. Select the recording you want to hear. Then press menu or lock button to play the recording.